Has the ruble truly recovered to pre-Ukraine war levels? First, we need to understand that once the ruble collapsed due to the sanctions, the government implemented absolutely strict and completely impossible to circumvent restrictions. There are capital controls that make it impossible for any private citizen and business to sell rubles in exchange of euros or dollars. Not just do it, but do it at this alleged exchange rate that we see in our screens. So it is very important to understand that after the capital controls, the exchange rate of the ruble relative to the dollar or the euro has absolutely nothing to do with supply and demand and the real demand of that currency. Furthermore, what we do know is that in the different chats that exist in Russia between private citizens to get foreign currency, the exchange rate at which people are selling dollars or euros move between 50 to 70% lower ruble exchange rate than what we're seeing in our screens, which is further consistent with what we would imagine in an environment of very aggressive sanctions. An interesting thing is that what the Russian government is doing is also forcing gold producers and energy producers to sell their product at an exchange to the ruble that is very, very different from what we would imagine if we looked at it in dollars or in the relative value. What does that do? If gold producers are selling their production at a very steep price in the ruble exchange rate that is used for that gold, the central bank is maybe getting some gold reserves, but is decapitalizing the productive sector. It is very much like the cepo cambiario, like the tight grip, exchange tight grip that Argentina, Iran, Venezuela, and other countries have implemented with disastrous consequences. We cannot believe or think that what we're going to see is a super intelligent view by which a country is going to circumvent the environment in which the sanctions are working by implementing capital controls and the tight grip on exchange rate of exports, because those two things have devastated many economies globally.